set up for the art show that starts this weekend. Then on the way back, we're stopping in Eau Claire because we have an art opening at the Pablo Center for their national art show that we got into. And then we're gonna have coffee somewhere in between.
Are we going like hippies?
No, we're not gonna be like that.
Oh.
Well, for coffee, yeah.
Yeah. That's why there's a closet inside the van. We get to change in the van again.
Yep. Well,
Yay.
last time I just changed in the parking lot.
You're an exhibitionist. Like that one anime,
My
exhibitionist.
beef is strong.
You have any good feelings about this one?
Yes, in my pants.
What are we doing different about this one that we haven't tried yet? You dork.
And this art fair, we're going to still be doing my woodworking, but now Kara has a crap ton of pottery. And we're going to be decorating the booth with paintings. Trying something different.
Hey, baby. Nice little hobbit hole you got
This
here.
part is just for the menu, creeper. I just got a whiff of garbage. I'm not sure if it's me.
Well,
Hippies aren't garbage.
I know. So where are we?
Stillwater by a coffee shop. We had coffee. We saw a Tesla.
Oh yeah.
We didn't hear a Tesla. We saw one.
So just got done setting up in Stillwater.
No,
Then we
not
had a
just setting
well.
up,
Then we
but-
had a coffee. Mine was cold because I sweat like a sweaty boar. Yours was hot because you like hot coffee.
Yeah, I don't care. I'll sweat more with hot coffee.
And then we changed in the van like a couple of gypsies.
Yep.
Then came to the Pablo Center.
Yep, and dominant. It's like Kramer sparring a bunch of little toddlers.
Well, I'm dominating.
Dominant.
No. Wait, we got there, looked at all our art, talked to a couple of other artists, and then we didn't know there was something going on, but I guess there was a little speech.
Yeah, there was a little award ceremony, and you got an honorable mention, and I got grand prize
You got
from a wood guy.
best of show. The wood guy got best
The
of
wood
show.
guy.
And it was cool because there were no other wood pieces that were selected.
No,
So,
I'm the wood guy.
you would, at least you have the cutting board.
I was gonna say, I'm surprised one of my cutting boards didn't get
That's tomorrow. You got the commission cutting board.
Cutting boards.
Then you got 31 others plus like 6 charcuterie boards that haven't been spoken for yet. So good job dominating, hon. I'm proud of you.
You too, power couple.
Yeah. Fighting you. I'm a northern.
Oh, pinch and rub.
The Pinch and Rub Spice and Tea Hub. Is that your nickname in high school? Was the Pinch and Rub?
Yeah.
Adorable.
You can't do it when I'm driving. See? Oh yeah, that's why.
Naughty. Naughty.